All right, so today we've got the gas tank installed, ground strap. This is the vent hose that's going to go to a rollover vent check valve. I've got the hoses coming out here for the supply and return. The return hose connects to the original OEM 5/16 hose. The 3/16 is going up and over along with the electrical. So they're all following the original fuel line. Some of this stuff may have to get tweaked if we do all the rear suspension stuff. So I'm just making sure it all works right now and is safe enough to, maybe take a test drive. The other piece of this is it goes inside of the frame rail there, or inside of between the frame and the little strip here.